Right, so we're going to be looking at question 17 from the National 5 2014 physics paper. It's quite a long-winded question, this one, so we'll try and do it as quickly as we can. Catapults are used by anglers to project fish bait into water. A technician designs a catapult for this use. So we have the catapult here, fish bait in there. Pieces of elastic of different thicknesses are used to provide a force on the ball. Each piece of elastic is the same length. The amount of stretch given to each elastic is the same each time. The force exerted on the ball increases as the thickness of the elastic increases. So that's clearly an important statement. Which row shows the combination of thickness of elastic and mass of ball to produce the greatest acceleration? Right, let's have a look at the table. We're trying to find out which thickness of elastic and which mass of ball will produce the greatest acceleration. So we need to think really about acceleration. Probably the most important formula here is the acceleration is given by F over m. In other words, it's proportional to the force, it's inversely proportional to the mass. I can write that in a different way. Acceleration is proportional to force, and acceleration is inversely proportional to the mass. So effectively what that means, if we want a big acceleration, we need a big force. If we want a big acceleration, we need a small mass. So which one of these provides the biggest force and the smallest mass? So if we look down this, the biggest force is provided by the one with the thickest elastic, which is going to be either D or E. So here are our two options. And to get the biggest acceleration, the largest acceleration, we need the one with the smallest mass, which is this one here, 0.01. So therefore, our answer is D. So it's a long-winded question, but it's a relatively straightforward one to get the answer for.